Gosh, we've had so many visitors since my baby's been born. They've loved seeing him, but obviously on that part, you're seeing everyone and you're not a different person, but you're a mum now, you know, you're not yourself. So before you'd have all your hair and makeup and you'd be like, hi. It's really difficult seeing people and thinking, gosh, do I look the same? Do I feel the same? So my skin, yes, it's definitely drier than it used to be, just not as luminous as it was before. So it's definitely felt a bit duller and a bit drier. My routine has been very hectic. Even though he's a newborn and he sleeps, there's not the time to do your full skin routine now, so that's definitely been a challenge. For my evening routine, I take the SkinQuencher, and that helps overnight just rejuvenate my skin, and it has the collagen ready for the next morning, so I'm ready to fight another day. I also take a Biotin Brilliance tablet, and I find that really helps with the lack of sleep. It gives a bit more plumpness to my skin, and just really helps with that. So I've been taking that, and that's really made a difference for me.